So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find the fake executable files on your system. That means some files that might be covered up as some PDF or document file, but inside of it it's an executable program file that may or may not be a virus as well. Now in order to find it, just simply open any file explorer. Now inside here you need to click on this option of view, and here when you click on this option of show, you will find this option that says file name extensions. Once you enable it, you will notice that every executable file has the extension of .exe, so you can use it to easily identify that if some file is not actually a PDF or a document, it might have been an executable file that has been covered as a document, so you it might be a virus. You can easily find it. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.